If you're traveling and tired of swapping SIM cards or dealing with surprise roaming fees, TooSim promises a cheap, instant eSIM alternative, but is it really worth it? TooSim is a prepaid eSIM service aimed at travelers who want fast mobile data in different countries without the hassle of physical eSIMs. You can buy a data package, scan a QR code, and boom, you're online. No ID verification and no contracts. Now, a bunch of Reddit people are the biggest pro is convenience. People love how quickly they can set it up before a flight or even while landing. Pricing also gets a thumbs up, especially for short trips and those hopping between countries. And the app makes managing your plan surprisingly easy. I'd say TooSim is a great solution, but for a quick and affordable way to stay online abroad, it does the job. Just make sure to double check coverage before you fly. And if you want to help set it up, let's do just that.
First, download the TooSim app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, select the country or countries you'll be traveling to. You can choose multiple destinations at once. Then, choose how many days you want to spend your eSIM to be active. Options typically include 7, 15, or 30 days. Need more days? Just tap the plan and select your desired duration. Once done, tap Find the Best Offers and pick a plan from the list. Now, sign up using your email address. After that, confirm that your device is eSIM compatible and tap Buy Now. Once the purchase is complete, tap Show My eSIM. Then Show Details to view your newly purchased eSIM. You'll see a QR code and an option to install the eSIM directly. Tap Install eSIM, then Confirm when prompted. In a few seconds, your eSIM will be ready to activate. Tap Continue to start the activation process. Once activation is complete, choose a label. I'll select Travel, then tap Done. For cellular data, select your new eSIM and disable Allow Data Switching. Finally, turn on data roaming, and that's it. You're all set to use your TooSim eSIM while traveling. Thank you so much for watching.